Welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting tip for anyone using Brave Nightly Browser on mobile. We will show you how to control the background images that appear on your new tab page. This setting can help you personalize your browsing experience. First, open the Brave Nightly Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. In the Settings menu, keep scrolling until you find New Tab Page. Tap on New Tab Page to access options related to your browser's start screen. After that, look for the Show Background Images toggle. You can turn this on to display background images every time you open a new tab. Or you can turn it off to have a plain background, which may improve loading speed and reduce distractions. Your changes will be applied immediately, and the new tab page will reflect your choice. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful mobile browser tips.